All right, everyone. We are down here at the Marquis level, and I'm gonna be doing a hotel room tour of our room in the Marriott Marquis in Atlanta. I'm gonna have to make a quick room tour because we're gonna be checking out pretty soon. So I'm gonna have. This is not gonna be a long video. So I'm gonna start. We're gonna go up to our room right now. This one's coming down, I think. This one's on the way down, actually. Let's get one of these. This one. Our room is on the 30th floor. We were just here for one night, so we're checking out after this. All right, here at 30, this is where our room is gonna be. Oh, excuse me. It's a really nice hallway here. And here's our room. We are in room 3004. I put my key card in my wallet, that's why I scan the thing with my wallet. All right, so you walk in, let's start with your security features. Here's the map. You got a hinge here, and you have a deadbolt. Here's a closet with the hairdryer on top. Got some hangers. Look in the mirror. Hey. As you can see, this room is empty right now because we just unloaded everything out of our room so we can get ready to check out. Here's a closet with your iron and ironing board. There's a drawer inside. Here are your two beds. These are two queen beds. We actually got a room that is the city view. Get a view of the city while you're in your room. Alarm clock. I believe it's unplugged. We unplugged it for some reason. Here's our telephone. Yeah, these are really cool two queen beds because, you know, one of the reasons here is that this kind of design is really nice. This is like something you would use in a lounge. I love the background pictures of behind the beds. They're so cool. Got your lamp, thermostat. Here inside you have a fridge with a freezer in the back. Wait. Actually, this is a freezer. Fridge and freezer at the same time, probably. This is a fridge and a freezer. Ice buckets, glasses, coffee station. Here's a coffee maker. All right. Now we're gonna go inside the bathroom. This is a very nice bathroom. I gotta say, I love the lights in the mirrors and stuff. Got your sink, tissues, toilet paper, more tissues, and some toilet paper down there. Got your toilet, which I don't think I should flush. Here's a shower. I can do a demonstration quickly here. Here's a shower. You got all your amenities. You got your shampoo, conditioner, and your shower gel. Sorry about the mess here. We're getting ready to go here. So one last thing about this room is that the bathroom door is actually a barn door. You got a sliding door. So when you get inside the bathroom, close this up, and this is how you lock it. You have this thing here. Just do that, and it'll lock up for you. All right, which is pretty cool. All right, so that is the room of that is a room tour of the Atlanta Marriott Marquis. Just getting one good look at this room. And before we go somewhere, there's one more thing I gotta show you, is the view. This is a view of downtown Atlanta, Georgia. It is a very nice day today. Over there, that's the Westin. Down there is the pool. I was just there this morning, and it was pretty warm. The water is pretty warm there. And I don't know if you can see it, but right there, that building right there, that is the Hilton. I'm going there right now, right after this. All right, so that is a hotel room tour of the Marriott Marquis in Atlanta. So far, I gotta say, this is a very nice room. And my first Marriott hotel I've ever stayed at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Marriott Marquis hotel room tour. If you like it, go ahead and give the video a like, comment below what you think, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, and to the bell for notifications so you can get updates on my latest posts. That being said, that's it. I would totally recommend this room for anyone that's wanting to stay here for at least a night here in downtown Atlanta. There's other good hotels too, but that's besides this. But I'd say this one's like the nicer one. Plus the atrium is really cool too. Really insane. All right, there you guys have it.